Hi, Tim Blankenship with Divorce661.com here, specializing in California divorce. We are a divorce paralegal firm, and we're talking to the folks in the La Puente area today. And we wanted to let you know that you do have alternatives to getting through the divorce process in La Puente other than using an attorney. We are known as a legal document preparation firm. We do specialize in divorce. So essentially, we are a divorce paralegal firm, if you will. You probably know us as something like that. And we want to share with you what we can do for you and hopefully save you some money when going through your divorce in La Puente. So what we do is essentially everything a law firm will do. We will process your divorce in La Puente exactly as if you're going through a law firm. The biggest difference in using a service like ours is that we cannot give you legal advice and we can't represent you in court. So the idea here, obviously, is that you're going through what we call an uncontested case or a friendly divorce. You and your spouse are trying to work together to get through the process without hiring an attorney. So that would be the biggest difference. If you want to make sure and see if you are a good fit for our company, please give me a call. I'd be happy to provide you a free over-the-phone consultation and just talk about your specific circumstances, because sometimes an attorney is going to be necessary, but about 80% of the time, 80% of the divorce cases going through California are by parties that are unrepresented and who do not have a divorce attorney in their case. So there's a good chance that you can use our service. So go ahead and give us a call. You won't have to come to our office even if you decide to use our service. We do have clients all over California. We do have a systemized process either over the phone or via email, and because we are full service, we'll be taking care of everything from A to Z. So give us a call. The number's on your screen. Be happy to talk to you on the phone and make sure you're a good fit for our company. And to the folks in La Puente, thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you soon.